Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to explain my vending machine program. First, I talk about how the program works. So in this vending machine, I use all the options in numeric input. This makes the program easy to use and beginner friendly. Then here I start with some few commands creating menu. First, I will explain this menu. At the start of the code, I created a dictionary called menu. Here the dictionary stores all the items in the vending machine. Each item has a number that act as a item code. This is the code 1, 2, 3. These are the codes I used here. For every item, details such as name, price, stock and category are stored. Using a dictionary helps to keep the data organized and manage it easy. It allows quick access to item details using item code entered by the user. Then next I will explain this show menu function. Here I use the command display menu. In this function is used to display all the available items in this vending machine. It prints headings like item name, price, stock, category. Then it uses loop to go through each item in the menu dictionary and display details. Using a function here improves the code readability and avoid repetition, makes the program easier to maintain. Then here I use a print table heading as command. In this function I also use F strings which are adding the letter F before the quotation marks. The purpose of it is to insert the variables directly inside the print statement. This makes code clean. For example, here item name, price and stock values are displayed dynamically using F strings. Here I use the symbol /t which represents tab space. The purpose of it is align the output neatly in columns. By using this menu appears in tab-like format. Without it, the menu would look unorganized and confusing. Then after the menu function, the program displays the welcome message to guide the users. Here use welcome message as a comment. And now I will explain the main program loop. Here the vending machine program runs a while true loop which allow users to make multiple purchases in one session. Inside the loop, the menu displayed and the user is asked to enter the item code. The program checks whether the entered code exists in the menu. If the code is invalid, an error message is shown. If valid code is the program, then check the stock level of the selected items. Then if the item is out of stock, the user is informed it and cannot purchase. Here is the code for this. Then if the program is available, then it moves to the payment section. Here use the bill payment as command. And next the selected item name and price are displayed and the user is asked to enter the cash amount here. Then the program calculates the balance and displays the remaining balance here. After this, we can see an option here to exit the condition as a comment if we want to exit this program. Now, after the successful purchase, the program automatically reduces the stocks of the item by one. So I use the code here to reduce the stock. Then finally, user asked whether they want to continue shopping or exit the program. If the user want to continue the program, click 1 for that, then it moves to the menu. If the program user want to leave this program, click 0, then displays a thank you message. If the user chooses 0, then the exit the program and thank you message is displayed here. And now we can run this program, how it works. Yeah, here is the menu. It shows a welcome to the vending machine. Please make your selection. Here we can select the items that we want, then enter our choice. Enter the 6. Yeah, here is your find your bill amount is 2 dirhams. Now we can enter our amount. It shows our balance here. Now it's asked, do you want to continue? We can press 1. If we want to exit this, we can press 0. If we press 0, thank you for visiting. Hope you enjoy your purchase. This all up my vending machine program. Thank you for watching. Yo.